useful tools under $12. Let's begin. At number 12, the Dice Pro Zester and Grater is a total kitchen win. Sharp, rust-free blade, comfy grip, and no-slip design. Perfect for zesting citrus or grating hard cheese with ease. Ditch bulky gadget. This compact tool does it all. Easy to clean, space-saving, and built to last. Bonus, it comes with a lifetime warranty and a free healthy cooking tips ebook. Check the description below for the latest prices and exclusive deals on Amazon US. At number 11, the Kitasensu Garlic Press makes prep fast and mess-free. Its 37 spikes crush garlic, peeled or not, into a smooth paste, leaving skins behind. Comfy to grip, easy to press, and built from durable zinc. No rust, no garlic stink, and dishwasher safe. Great for garlic, ginger, herbs, and more. Perfect for anyone who loves flavor without the hassle. At number 10, the OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper is a multitasking kitchen MVP. Slice dough, chop veggies, scrape surfaces, and scoop ingredients with ease. Its stainless steel blade has etched measurements, and the soft, non-slip handle keeps your grip steady. Dishwasher safe and built to last. It's perfect for bakers, meal preppers, and anyone who loves smart, space-saving tools. At number 9, the Spring Chef Swivel Peeler is your fast track to smooth, effortless peeling. Ultra-sharp dual blades glide over curves, removing just the skin, no waste. Built-in blemish remover, comfy non-slip grip, and dishwasher safe. Great for righties, lefties, and even arthritic hands. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in any kitchen. All these picks are on Amazon US. See the description for today's prices. At number 8, the OttStar Jar and Bottle Opener is a game changer for stubborn lid. With 6 functions in one, it opens jars, bottles, and pull-tab cans with ease. Great for arthritis, weak grip, or slippery hand. Non-slip handle adds leverage, and it's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone tired of wrestling with lids. At number 7, the Instant Red Digital Meat Thermometer gives fast, accurate temps in 1 to 3 seconds. Its thin probe, backlit screen, and fold-out design make it perfect for grilling, baking, or baby formula. Waterproof and easy to clean, with a magnet for easy storage. No more guesswork, just precise cooking made simple for home chefs and grill masters alike. At number 6, the Irrimate 16-ounce glass oil sprayer gives you total control, spray or pour with one sleek bottle. Perfect for salads, air frying, or grilling, it delivers a fine 0.2 g mist to cut down on excess oil. Made of durable, BPA-free glass with an easy refill, wide mouth, and comfy grip. Clean, precise, and built for healthier cooking. No mess, no waste, just flavor. At number 5, the Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set is a sleek kitchen upgrade. Made of sturdy stainless steel, they snap together magnetically, no messy rings. Dual ends fit spice jars and liquids, lay flat, and include both US and metric units. With a bonus leveler for precise measuring, it's a must-have for bakers, meal preppers, and anyone who loves to cook smart. Find it fast on Amazon US. Check the description for the latest offers. At number 4, the Herb Scissors Set is a time-saving hack for fresh herb lovers. 5 sharp blades snip herbs fast and evenly, no cutting board needed. The comfy, non-slip grip keeps control easy, even when wet. Comes with a blade cover that doubles as a cleaning comb. Quick, mess-free, and dishwasher safe. Perfect for home cooks, gardeners, and anyone who loves fresh flavor. At number 3, the Meat Chopper and Hamburger Grinder makes breaking up ground meat fast and easy with its 5-blade pinwheel design. Safe for non-stick pans, heat-resistant to 447 degrees Fahrenheit, and perfect for beef, turkey, veggies, potatoes, and more. Non-stick, dishwasher safe, and super versatile. This tool speeds up dinner and cuts down on cleanup. Shop this chopper on Amazon US. Click the description for updated pricing. At number 2, the Winco 8 ounces stainless steel ladle is built tough for daily use, at home or in pro kitchen. Its 1mm steel won't bend, and the hooked handle hangs on pots or rack. Perfect for soups, sauces, or meal prep with consistent portions every time. Dishwasher safe and NSF certified, it's a reliable must-have for cooks who value durability and precision. At number 1, the Spring Chef Heavy Duty Ice Cream Scoop powers through rock-solid pints with ease. Its scoop and spade design makes perfect curls, while thin edges reach every corner, no waste. A comfy, non-slip handle won't freeze your hand, and it even helps pop open lids. Dishwasher safe and built to last, it's perfect for ice cream, melons, cookie dough, and more. Click the description to shop now on Amazon US and catch the newest deal. Hope you found some great kitchen tools that won't break the bank. But honestly, if there's one thing that can really level up your cooking, it's a good non-stick cookware set. We've reviewed the top 5. Check it out here. And if you like budget-friendly kitchen finds, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.